ये पूल देखो, ये रूफटॉप देखो, यहाँ के वाइब्स देखो और ये व्यू, एकदम मस्त व्यू देखो। नहीं, हम होटल में नहीं है, हम एक हॉस्टल में है। एक MBA कॉलेज जिसका नाम है मास्टर्स यूनियन के हॉस्टल में है, दिल्ली गुरुग्राम में। आप पूछिए इस हॉस्टल के बारे में हम क्या जान सकते हैं। एक तो कोएड है, इस हॉस्टल में पूल है, सोना भी है, कॉमन स्पेस भी है, गेम्स भी हैं और सब लोग इकट्ठे यहाँ पे रहते हैं, कॉलेज में जाते हैं और मस्ती करते हैं। देखो, हम पूरा कॉलेज दिखाएंगे आपको और ये हॉस्टल दिखाएंगे। चलो। इनके हॉस्टल में लिफ्ट भी है, हमारे हॉस्टल में भी लिफ्ट नहीं होती थी हार्वर्ड में, तो देखो। चलो अब इनके हॉस्टल देखते हैं। सो दिस इज इनका डेकोरेशन पीस, पानी, पूरा किचन, ओवन भी है।
Nice.
और ये तो इनका बाथरूम देख लो यार, यहाँ पे एक शावर है, ये मार्बल भरा हुआ। और मुझे ना यकीन नहीं हो रहा क्योंकि इनके फीस भी इतने महंगे नहीं है। दूसरे MBA कॉलेजेस के समान ही है, दिस इज वैल्यू फॉर मनी। और उनके डॉर्म सब हॉस्टल कोएड भी है, व्हिच इज हाउ लाइफ इज। मेरा बाथरूम भी इतना अच्छा नहीं था जब मैं यहाँ रुक गई थी। अरे वाह, इनका बिस्तरा देख लो। हमारे कॉलेज में एक सिंगल सा बिस्तरा होता था जो बहुत ही गंदा था। काउच भी है, टीवी भी है, पूरा होटल जैसे दिख रहा है। और वाओ, वो सब छोड़ो, उनके पास बैल्कनी भी है। क्या व्यू। चलो अभी हम उनका कॉमन स्पेस देख के आते हैं। ये तो उनका पूल टेबल है, पूल रूम है। एंड आपका क्या नाम है?
Shikha.
आपका क्या जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन है?
So basically, I lead student experience here, and when we say student experience, it is about everything that they do on campus and in hostel.
इस हॉस्टल में टाइमिंग्स है क्या? प्लीज।
No, not timings as such. We are pretty flexible and modern that ways. No restrictions.
You've been going easy on me. I cannot even move these. Let's go to play another game where I can do a little bit better than this. Let's play a game that I can actually play. Ready?
Yes.
Okay. So, 160 students, right?
Yes.
How many batches?
There are no batches. It's just one batch. We have one cohort of 160 people, and we get it divided into 3 sections right now. Their classes in these sections will keep changing. They will get to interact with each one of them throughout the year. It's not like traditional B schools where you're put into one section and that is how the entire year goes.
Is it a fully residential campus?
Yes, yes, yes.
Or what's the average age demographic?
That is somewhere around 26 years.
So, you are the head of student experiences. What are some of the other student experiences on this campus?
See, it's a very subjective term when we say experience, but it is the kind of events that we do, the kind of exposure we try to give to the students. It's not like any traditional school. We do startup weekends, we do hackathons. They have hackathons as part of their curriculums, and they have a lot of clubs, committees through which again the events happen.
What are some of the clubs?
Academic clubs are fintech clubs, our edtech club, marketing club, our product management club, consulting club, and these are all those spaces where there are most of the jobs. The agenda behind these clubs is to actually train students into getting better at those spaces.
And you're also winning.
Student experience events. The very famous football.
Football, खेलें?
Yes, please.
Okay, amazing. और
Which one? Which team would you pick?
anything.
Good, right?
You're wearing white, I'm wearing yellow, so it's.
Oh yeah.
So आपने मुझे academic events के बारे में बताया, but what are some of the cultural things?
So we have a lot of cultural clubs. We have a music club, we have a dance club, we have wellness club. We do promote mental health, wellness. That is again one club through which we do that. This is difficult because concentration is going there.
It's okay, हम बात करते हैं. तो यहाँ पे लिखा है conference room. यहाँ पे conferences होते हैं.
Not conferences. Students use this space to break into smaller groups. Apart from that, a lot of studies also happen here.
I love the emphasis यहाँ पे on holistic development. Last question, यहाँ पे खाना कहाँ खाते हैं लोग?
Oh, we have an amazing dining hall.
Okay.
I'll show you. So this is the space where these guys eat, and we have a dinner
Areva.
space with a view.
Genuinely hotel जैसा.
That's a
Beautiful. This is beautiful. तो यहाँ पे buffet थाली style क्या होता है? नमस्ते.
Dinner arrangements are already on.
आज क्या है खाने के लिए?
आज चाप है, जीरा राइस,
जीरा राइस.
दाल तड़का,
हाँ.
बूंदी राइस, बूंदी रायता,
Nice.
सैलिड, पापड़,
वाह, पूरा feast.
स्वीट्स में गुलाब जामुन,
गुलाब
Yeah,
जामुन.
sweet also.
अरे वाह. और कल स्वीट्स में क्या था?
कल स्वीट्स में हलवा था,
हलवा था. Amazing. आपका नाम?
प्रिंस।
प्रिंस. थैंक यू. तो और मैंने ये भी सुना है कि यहाँ पर एक सौना है.
Oh yes, we have a sauna, we have a jacuzzi, we've got an infinity pool on the top floor. Yeah, I can see your eyes roll.
Can we see the sauna?
Yes, yes, please. Let's go. This is the sauna.
Wow.
Jacuzzi. Then it is again.
Again.
The view.
तो ये जिम है?
Yes.
क्या? So do people usually work out here in the morning?
Usually it is 7 a.m. in the morning
Okay.
or else around 10 p.m. in the evening.
Evening.
Majority works out in the evening.
Nice.
Towards the end of the day because early morning they're all rushing
To get
reach
to
the campus.
कितने बजे पहुँचना पड़ता है?
It depends on the classes. Sometimes they would have a class at 9 in the morning. Sometimes they would have a class at 10 in the morning. So depending on that, they would reach campus.
Amazing.
Pretty
Wow.
flexible. No same schedule every day.
Love it.
This is basically the common space, right? Where the students would walk in, they would just sit for a while and then.
और यहाँ पे पूरा view है?
Yes.
Amazing.
So we have our floor from starting from 4th to 18th. Every basic need from a salon to trekking to clinics, pharmacies, everything is available right here, like literally at the doorstep. And this is the best part. Sports.
तो यहाँ पे
Play here in the evening, around 8 or 9 in the evening.
आप ही खेलते हैं?
I have not done this yet, but I think one of the days that will also
That will
happen.
also happen.
That will also happen.
It's nice that everything यहाँ पर is connected, right? Like they
And
have
it's so
everything.
convenient.
Yeah.
That's the idea to have the property, that everything is available to them at their doorstep. And
Makes
it's so
sense.
convenient. If they want to buy something or get
Anything,
any of their
banking,
gadgets,
yeah.
get any of their technological gadgets repaired, it is all
Laundry
here.
भी वहाँ पर है.
Laundry है, food है,
Salon
banks
भी
है,
सब कुछ
salons
है. कि hostel के events के बारे में बता रहे थे.
Yes. So on weekends, what we do is we bring all of these students together to do hostel events, and in these events there are drawing nights. There's a Pictionary night. There's a games night that will happen. Then there'll be a movie night. There'll be barbecue because we have a lot of balconies and you saw
Yes.
that in the dining space. And the entire motive for this is again the holistic development, learning from each other's cultures, coming together as a batch, building those bondings and relationships, because at the end of the day, after 16 months, this is what would count, right?
Yeah, of course.
How would you describe the educational experience here?
The reason we are here is because we want masters to come and teach, right? And when masters teach, they don't teach through PowerPoints.
Yeah.
Right? They don't teach through books, right? They don't have time to make PowerPoints and they don't have time to research books. They teach through experience. And they make students have that experience. So let me give you an example. We have a master who used to be the ex-country manager of Amazon, right? And he teaches essentials of e-commerce and drop shipping and supply chain. And the way he teaches, I mean, there is no book on this, right? And there is no like PowerPoint on this. So the way he teaches, he actually tells students to create their own small e-commerce stores on Shopify and actually make money, right? So that's essentially how students learn, right? By actually doing or by actually living the lesson. And similarly, like this, mostly all of the teachers teach not through lectures or exams or assignments, but through these sort of experiential activities that students have to do. And they take it one step ahead. Again, as I said, instead of exams, students are actually competing or targeting for revenue.
I'm beginning to look back. I had so much to say, but you left me speechless the Saturday you walked away. You said I couldn't have done